Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Gmail and jump straight to filters and blocked addresses in settings. First, use the search bar to capture the exact criteria you want: sender, subject words, attachments, or size, and test the query. Once done, click Create Filter and choose immediate actions such as skip inbox or apply label. Make sure to check the box for matching existing conversations if you want retroactive sorting. This gets the rule active now, so new messages are handled automatically. Next, refine how messages are organized by creating clear labels and optional nested labels for hierarchy. Assign the label in the filter and combine actions, mark as read, add a star, forward to another address, or archive. Use Gmail search operators like from, subject, has, attachment, and keyword to tighten rules. Filters apply with and logic so each condition must match. Once the filter is saved, validate by running the search query to confirm only intended messages match before applying to existing mail. Finally, maintain your filters. Periodically review settings, filters, and blocked addresses to edit or delete rules that misfire. Make sure filters are specific to avoid overlaps. While order doesn't control execution, overly broad rules can capture messages intended for others. If something goes wrong, disable a suspected filter and rerun its search to isolate the issue. As a quick troubleshooting tip, create a test message that meets criteria so you can iterate until behavior matches expectation, then apply changes confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.